Hello, everyone. This is Kate with Scholar Run Marketing. Today, I want to go over how to create a social piece within the Command platform under your Designs applet. So the first thing we want to do is, of course, be logged into our Command platform. And we're going to go ahead and navigate to Designs. Now, from Designs, we're going to go ahead and hit Create Design in the top right corner. And there, we're going to be able to select Social, okay? Again, we're creating a social piece, so we want to make sure we select that and hit Next. Now from here, you're going to be brought into the rebrand section of Command. This is where you can find all of the available templates and you can start customizing them. So let's go ahead and find a social piece. Let's say we have it coming soon or just listed, and we want to go ahead and do one of those. Let's do coming soon, and we're going to do a social post. So you can either pick a social story if you're going to do it as a story, social square. You can also do social wide or social portrait. Now we're going to go ahead and do social square for today's example. And we're just going to go ahead and select one of these down in the bottom. I'm going to go with this one right here, and we're going to hit use. Now we'll give that just a second to load. It's just thinking a little harder today. There we go. So now we are brought into the editor of Webrand, and we can start customizing this design. So let's go ahead and start with our logo in the bottom right corner. We're going to go ahead and click on that logo, and you should see that it brings you into your logos. Now from there, you can click on My Assets, and you can find your Market Center logo as long as you've already updated those assets to include that Market Center logo. So we're going to go ahead and switch that. So we're going to hit Replace, and it's going to swap our logo in that exact same spot, okay? Now from here, there's not a ton else that we have to update on this, but let's say we already have photos of this property in the MLS. We can go ahead and come up to the KW listing. We can search for that property. I'm just going to type Main Street and see what we can find. And actually, let me grab a property really fast, so bear with me just a moment. And then you gotta let me finish teaching, and then I'll listen, okay? Give me just a second. All right, so I grabbed a different property here. Let's go ahead and just paste that in, and we're gonna pull up that listing. So anything we plug in here, it should pull directly from the MLS. So we should be able to find the property we're looking for, including all of the MLS photos and all of the details. So I'm going to go ahead and click on the photo on our social post, and we're going to see that we can replace the photo. Now, of course, if you need to rearrange that, if you want to crop it, zoom, move it around, you can double click on that and then make those adjustments. Once you're done, just hit done. Now, of course, you can also grab your street address. Let's just go ahead and come down to the bottom. Again, we're going to go ahead and hit replace. Now that text is wrapping, so we're just going to extend that box. And of course, you can change the colors, things like that if you want to. I'm going to go ahead and leave these red. And then from here, you're just going to go ahead and download this. So typically for social posts, you want to leave it as a PNG or a JPEG. I'm going to go ahead and leave it as a PNG, and we're going to just download. Now that that social post is ready, we can go ahead and hit done, and we are all set. So that is how you create a social post within the Command Designs platform. If you have any questions at all, please reach out to our support team. Our email is support@scotlandrunmarketing.com, and we look forward to helping. Have a wonderful day.